Hello friends, welcome to my channel Textile Knowledge Hub. Friends, today we will learn about important mechanisms of weaving machine. The important mechanisms are mainly of three categories: primary mechanisms, secondary mechanisms and auxiliary mechanisms. The subdivisions of primary mechanisms are shading, picking and bitting. Shading can be of tappet shading, Dobby shading or jacquard shading. The category of secondary mechanisms are take up and let off. The subdivisions of auxiliary mechanisms are web stop motion, warp stop motion, warp protector mechanism, temple and break. Web stop motion can be of side web fork motion or center web fork motion. Warp stop motion can be of mechanical, electrical or of optical variety. Warp protector mechanism can be of loose reed mechanism or fast reed mechanism. The satellite view of mechanisms is shown here with detailed information. Here, primary mechanisms are very essential. Without these mechanisms, fabric formation is not possible. Secondary mechanisms take care about supply and delivery of material. To get high productivity and good quality of fabric, additional mechanisms called auxiliary mechanisms are installed onto the weaving machine. Let's understand each mechanism in brief. In primary mechanisms, first is shading mechanism. Shading mechanism separates the sheet of warp yarns into two layers or divisions, some yarns being raised and others being depressed in such a way that a sufficiently large diamond-shaped opening or tunnel known as shade forms to allow weft insertion. Now, second is picking mechanism. The picking mechanism passes the weft yarn from one selvage of the fabric to the other through the opening or shade of the warp yarns by means of a shuttle, projectile, rapier, air jet, water jet, etc. The inserted weft yarn is known as pick. In primary mechanism, third is bit up mechanism. The bit up mechanism bits or pushes forward the newly inserted weft yarn up to fabric peak point. It means fall of the cloth. This is performed by the sleeve, which moves backward and forward, and each peak, when bitten up, takes its position to form part of the actual fabric. In the loom, all primary mechanisms, shading, picking and bitting, are performed in sequence, one after another. In secondary mechanism, let's understand let-off mechanism. The let-off mechanism delivers constant amount of warp yarn from the weaver's beam during weaving. It controls constant tension in the warp sheet from the full beam stage to the empty beam stage. It also maintains picks per inch (PPI) with support of take-up mechanism. Both take-up of the fabric and let-off of the warp yarns are done simultaneously so that the warp may always remain parallel with the floor level in the form of a continuous sheet and no unnecessary strain is put upon it. Another secondary mechanism is take-up mechanism. The take-up mechanism withdraws the woven fabric from the weaving area at constant rate and then winds it onto the fabric ruler. This mechanism also takes care about uniform pick spacing. It means same picks per inch (PPI) throughout the fabric length. Let's understand Different auxiliary mechanisms. Web stop motion. The object of the web stop motion is to stop the loom as soon as the inserted weft being breaks in the transit or when there is no weft in the shuttle. This motion helps to avoid the formation of cracks in the fabric. Warp stop motion. The object of the warp stop motion is to stop the loom immediately when a warp thread breaks during the weaving process. Warp protector mechanism. The object of the warp protector mechanism is to stop the loom immediately when the shuttle is trapped in the shade. It thus avoids multiple warp breakages and prevents excessive damage to the shuttle and reed wires. Break. The brake mechanism stops the loom immediately at any required moment. It helps the weaver to stop the loom to repair broken ends and picks. Temple. The object of the temples is to grip the fabric near selvage area and to maintain fabric width equal to the width of the warp yarn in the reed. In the next learning module W7, we will learn about different fabric views. If you like it, you can subscribe this channel for new updates. You can also post your comments for any query or suggestion if you have. You can also share technical details to enrich this module. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.